Good morning, students. So in the last class we discussed regarding empirical formula. So I think most of you have followed it. काहेकि ना जते जन भी सॉल्व करी पठेइछो all are correct. So thank you very much. समस्त ठीक करी पठेइछो. So I will give you an assignment, that is the empirical formula of a compound is CHO2. The molecular mass of the compound is 90. Then what will be the molecular formula? Most of you have solved it and send it to me, which is correct. So for the remaining, I am solving it. So first, what is our target? So when we will solve it, so first our target will be to find out the empirical formula mass. So empirical formula mass. What is the empirical formula mass? Now we have got the empirical formula. We have to calculate the mass. कौन दिया CHO2 कहते हैं कार्बन इज 12, देन हाइड्रोजन इज 1 प्लस कार्बन होच 2 इनटू ऑक्सीजन होच 16, सो 32 33 प्लस 12 इज 45. So first step we have to calculate the empirical formula mass, which is 45. Then we have to find out the value of n, which is the whole number. So what will be the value of n? Now molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. So we will get the value of n using this formula, and the whole number will be molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. So what is the molecular mass given? Now 90. So given molecular mass is 90, and we have calculated the empirical formula mass, that is 45. So 90 by 45 will give you 2, which is the value of n. Then what is the formula to calculate the molecular formula? So molecular formula will be 2 into empirical formula. What is 2? Now we will find out the value of the whole number n as 2. So what is the formula? Now molecular formula is n into empirical formula, and we have found out the value of n to be 2. ताले कौन होगा 2 into empirical formula. Empirical formula is CHO2. So what will be the molecular formula? Now C2H2O4. C2H2O4. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is how you have to solve these numericals like this. Then I told you what is the use of empirical formula. Now in ancient days, the scientists used to estimate a compound. Estimate means the proportion by mass of an element present in the compound. So they estimated the compound. They could find out the percentage of each element present in the compound. Then from this they found out the empirical formula. Then by using the vapor density method, they could find out the molecular mass, and finally molecular formula was determined. So next we will be solving some typical numerical based on estimation of compounds. Okay. So next students, we will be solving some typical numericals as was done in earlier days. Earlier days called actually now scientists they used to estimate a compound. Suppose the question is like this: an organic compound on analysis, that means on estimation. Estimation means you have to find out the constituent elements in the proportion or percentage in which those elements are present. That is estimation. So an estimation of an organic compound. What is organic compound? Now which primarily contains carbon as an essential component, and hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen as other parts. So carbon containing elements mostly they are called organic compounds. So later on we will come to know what is organic compound. So carbon percentage is 40%, hydrogen percentage is 6.66%, and oxygen percentage is 53.34%. So this is the data which is given to you. What is the question? Now you have to find out the empirical formula of the compound. Then to solve this, you have to make some columns. Column 1, what is the element? Then percentage in which that element is present. So first element, then percentage. Okay, then atomic mass of that element. Atomic mass. You know what is atomic mass? I have already told you. This is column 3. Next column, relative number of atoms. Relative number of atoms, which is equal to केते हबो ना percentage divided by atomic mass. So is equal to percentage divided by atomic mass. मन रखिबो, this is the formula to calculate the relative number of atoms. Now percentage is given to you divided by atomic mass will give you the relative number of atoms. Then last one will be the simplest ratio. Simplest ratio in which these elements will be present. So you have to make 5 different columns like this. Okay, like this. Then you can see column first. So starting from this one, element, first element given is carbon. Percentage is 40%. Atomic mass of carbon you know is 12. Then relative number of atoms केमती पाइबा ना 40 divided by 12. 40 divided by 12. Later on we will see what will be the result. Okay. Then hydrogen. Hydrogen percent 6.66%. 6.66%. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So what will be the relative number of atoms? Now percentage, that is 6.66 by 1. It will be 6.66. Okay. Then oxygen. Next element is oxygen. What is the percentage given? 53.34%. Okay. Oxygen atomic mass is 16. So what will be the relative number of atoms? Now percentage divided by atomic mass, that is 53.34 divided by 16. Okay. So it will be 3.33. It will also be 3.3. So we have to find out these ratios. Formula one la can how to find out the relative number of atoms? Na percentage divided by atomic mass. Like this is the formula. So you have to find out like this. Then how to find out the simplest ratio? So out of these 3 ratios, we have to find out the smallest one, and it has to be divided by all. Smallest one is here also 3.33. So what will be the simplest ratio? Now 3.33. Smallest one is 3.33 is equal to 1. It can be now 6.66 divided by 3.33, which is equal to 2. Then again this one 3.33 divided by 3.33, which is equal to again 1. So now we have find out the number of atoms to be present in the empirical formula. C1, H2 and O is 1. So hence the empirical formula of the compound, hence the empirical formula of the compound, key compound, now organic compound is konala carbon 1 अछि लिखबो C, hydrogen 2 टा अछि H2, oxygen what अछि O. So this is the answer, CH2O. So this is how you have to solve these numericals. A जो column कर देछि, you have to remember these columns and you have to solve it accordingly. Suppose additionally it have the question mu add करथंती. If the molecular mass of the compound is 90, find out the molecular formula. मु एक same question ले आपके जोड़ी दोछि. जदि एटा सॉल्व करा सिखि हला, you know how to solve these things. So additionally it have the question mu add कर देली. If the molecular mass of the given compound is 90, what will be the molecular formula. देखिए आगे CH2O empirical formula mass केते हबो empirical formula mass होची केते हबो कार्बन 12 hydrogen 2 means 2 oxygen 16 তাহলে কেতে হলো 30 so empirical formula mass is 30 CH2 अछि so empirical formula mass will be 30 তাহলে n ভ্যালু কেতে আসিবো না molecular mass 90 divided by empirical formula mass that is 30 that means 3 so the whole number value will be 3 so what will be the molecular formula so molecular formula will be n into empirical formula that means 3 into CH2O कौन है जो देखो C3H6O3 this is the answer so this is how we have to solve the numericals next we will try another students this is the question number 2 a compound contains hydrogen 4.07% carbon 24.27% and Cl means chlorine 71.65%. Its molecular mass is 99. Find out the empirical and molecular formula. So, the two questions have been asked. First, we have to find out the empirical formula. Then, molecular mass is given. That means we can also find out the molecular formula. Then, how to start? Again, we will make columns. First column will be element. Then second column will be percentage in which these elements are present, percentage. Then next column will be atomic mass. Next column will be atomic mass. Then next column will be relative number of atoms, relative number of atoms. How to find out? Na percentage divided by atomic mass will give you the relative number of atoms. Then last column is simplest ratio. Simplest ratio in which these elements are present in the compound. So after you have to remember these 5 columns which you have to make. So data given element H hydrogen percentage केते 4.07%. 4.07%. What is atomic mass of hydrogen? Now 1 relative number of atom will be 4.07 by 1 that is 4.07. Okay. Then carbon next element is carbon 24.27%. 24.27%. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. Okay, atomic mass of carbon is 12. Then relative number of atoms, now percentage by atomic mass. So 24.27 divided by 12. It will be 2.02. It will be 2.02. 2.02. Okay. Then last one, chlorine. Chlorine percentage given is 71.65%. 71.65%. Chlorine atomic mass is 35.5. Atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. So relative number of atoms केता हो the percentage by atomic mass that means 71.65 divided by 35.5. It will be also 2.02. Okay. So now we have find out the relative number of atoms. Then the last one we have to find out simplest ratio. Now we have to pick up the smallest one. Which is the smallest one? 2.02 and divide it by everyone. So in case of hydrogen it will be 4.07 by 2.02. it will be 2.01. Okay, so in case of decimals we will take it to the nearest whole number. 2.01 টাকে তুমি নিয়ে যাবে 2. So you have to remember that in case of some decimals we have to round it up, we have to take it to the nearest whole number. Then এদিকে দাও দেখো কার্বন কত হবে না 2.02 divided by 2.02 কত হবে 1. সেমতি ক্লোরিন 2.02 by 2.02 equal to 1. Okay, so what will the empirical formula? Now in the empirical formula the simplest ratio will be hydrogen 2 atoms, carbon 1 atom, chlorine 1 atom. So the empirical formula of the given compound will be आगे कार्बन लिखवा C तापरे हाइड्रोजन लिखवा H2 हाइड्रोजन केतना होछि दुईटा CH2 chlorine 1, so CH2 Cl will be the empirical formula of the compound. जेमति कहितली से same process, then we have to find out the molecular formula. For that we have to calculate the empirical formula mass केते होबे कार्बन 12 हाइड्रोजन दुईटा अछि 2 प्लस क्लोरीन 35.5 केते होबे देखो 37 39 49.5 49.5. So the empirical formula mass of the given compound will be 49.5. Then what is the value of N? N con na molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass divided by empirical formula mass. molecular mass कितना है 99 empirical formula mass calculate करते कलो 49.5. that means it will be 2. so the whole number is 2. so what is the molecular formula? so molecular formula will be 2 into empirical formula. 2 into empirical formula केते बाहर करछो CH2 Cl তাহলে কোন হইব C2 H4 Cl2. This is the answer. So this is the molecular formula of the compound and this is the empirical formula of the compound. বুঝ পারলো? So next I will be giving you some assignments and you send it to me after solving it. Okay, as I told you students, the time for assignments দেবে কিছি. So these are the assignments. Question 1, determine the empirical formula of iron oxide. Iron oxide, that means it contains two elements Fe and O. So iron oxide which contains 69.6% iron, that means Fe, and 30.1% oxygen, that means O. Okay, so I have told you how to solve it. Then question number 2, a compound contains carbon 92.2% and hydrogen 7.7%. If the molecular mass is 26, then find out the empirical formula as well as molecular formula. So similar question we have already solved. So first you find out the empirical formula, then you find out the empirical formula mass, then molecular mass is given, you can find out the value of N, and by using the value of N, multiplying it with empirical formula, you can get the molecular formula. Then question number 3, an organometallic compound. What is organometallic compound? Now an organic compound, that means carbon containing compound which contains metals like iron etc. They are called organometallic compound. On analysis is found to contain carbon 64.4%, hydrogen 5.5% and iron 29.9%. Determine the empirical formula of the organometallic compound. So these are the 3 questions which you have to solve and send it to me to my WhatsApp number which is known to you, or I will be giving you in the screenshot. Okay, so students, so this is for today. Hope you have enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Thank you very much.